A piping hot box of McDonald's chicken nuggets, golden brown and crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce. Have you ever wondered how these iconic nuggets make their way from the farm to your hands? Today, we embark on a fascinating journey through the production process of McDonald's chicken nuggets, uncovering the secrets behind their creation. Buckle up, because this story is about to get deliciously intriguing. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. The story of McDonald's chicken nuggets begins in the late 1970s, when the fast food giant was looking for a new menu item to complement their world-famous burgers. Enter Chef René Arend, a Luxembourgish-born culinary innovator who joined McDonald's in 1976. With his culinary magic, Chef Arend developed the original chicken nugget recipe, which quickly became a hit when it was introduced in 1983. The nuggets were so popular that they often sold out within hours, leaving customers eagerly awaiting their next opportunity to savor the crispy bites. From then on, McDonald's chicken nuggets became a staple, captivating the taste buds of millions worldwide.
It's the all-new Szechuan.
The new jalapeno cheddar.
Dip back in time with new throwback sauces, only at McDonald's.
Have you ever wondered what exactly goes into the McDonald's chicken nugget? Let's dive into the journey of how these beloved nuggets are made. It all starts with whole chickens, but don't worry, no beaks or claws here. The process begins with careful deboning. Skilled workers meticulously remove the drumsticks, wings, thighs, and skin, setting them aside to focus on the prized chicken breast and tenders. Only the finest white meat is selected for our nuggets. Imagine the attention to detail required to ensure every nugget starts with high-quality chicken breast, with a small portion of skin set aside for flavor. The stage is set for the next step. Have you ever thought about what gives McNuggets their unique flavor and texture? After the deboning process, the selected chicken breast meat moves to the blending room. Here the chicken is ground together with a precise blend of seasonings and a portion of chicken skin, ensuring each nugget is flavorful and juicy. Have you ever noticed the unique shapes of McNuggets? There's a reason behind it. Once the chicken mixture is perfectly blended, it's time to shape it into the familiar forms: the ball, the bell, the boot, and the bow tie. What gives McNuggets that irresistible crunch? After shaping, the nuggets are ready for their coating. First, they get a light batter, followed by a thicker tempura batter. This isn't just any batter, it's a special mix of wheat flour, cornstarch, starches, and leaving agents that gives the nuggets their unique texture. Imagine watching the nuggets travel through a par-frying process, where they are partially cooked to set the batter. At this stage, the nuggets are still raw inside, but have that essential crispy exterior we all crave. This careful preparation ensures they are perfect for final cooking at the restaurant. How do McNuggets stay fresh and delicious until they reach your local McDonald's? The answer lies in quick freezing. After par-frying, the nuggets are rapidly frozen to lock in their juiciness and flavor. This crucial step preserves the quality of the nuggets as they are bagged, boxed, and prepared for shipping. Picture the bustling packaging room, where frozen nuggets are carefully handled to ensure they remain intact and high quality during transportation. Have you ever wondered why McNuggets always taste so good when you order them? Once they arrive at McDonald's, the nuggets are fully cooked to a golden brown perfection, ensuring they are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, ready to be enjoyed by customers. McDonald's chicken nuggets have become a major revenue driver, contributing $25 billion in annual sales globally in 2023, matching beef product sales and highlighting their widespread popularity. In the U.S., McDonald's chicken products generated impressive sales, with company-operated restaurant revenues at $4.71 billion, up 7.45% from the previous year, and franchise sales reaching $7.52 billion, a 9% increase. McDonald's faces environmental challenges in nugget production, but has taken positive steps, including reducing greenhouse gas emissions with renewable energy, ensuring deforestation-free soy for chicken feed by 2025, and using more recycled packaging. The company also aims to eliminate deforestation from its supply chains by 2030. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of McDonald's chicken nuggets. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.